So it's an exciting time for Sport Vision. You know, Dr. Edmunds and myself have been doing this for a long time. 20 years ago when I started in Sport Vision, you know, we had strings and beads and you know, maybe something that would light up on the wall. Today, the technology companies, as you know, on the Sports Vision Pro's website, you've seen a lot of different technology companies that are coming out, pushing the envelope a little bit. There are organizations out there trying to organize and educate. I want to hear a little bit about an organization that you're a part of that we're all passionate about. We all want to be successful and try to get this word out there. But tell me a little bit about this organization that you're a part of.
Okay, you know, again, we've been doing this a while. And way back, years ago, there was an international Sports Vision Academy that was kind of similar maybe to this organization that is probably relatively young, about 3 years old or so. It's called the International Sports Vision Association. And the International Sports Vision Association is a group of mostly optometrists, but isn't limited to just optometry, ophthalmology, physical therapists, strength and conditioning coaches, etc. And it's probably similar, the orientation and the goals are kind of similar to Sports Vision Pros, I'd imagine, and that is to progress and develop, you know, sports vision, sports and performance vision. The aim is more oriented towards practitioners or providers of this, so that we can grow the community to the point where we've reached that critical mass that can then support the trainers and the coaches and the athletes. Okay, that's we talked a little bit about this earlier, and that is that I think one of the main things that we need to really hammer on now is building that critical mass, because we can get all the athletes and the coaches, trainers all excited and hot and bothered about, you know, enhancing visual performance, but if they can't find a place to go to get this, to find the yous and the me's and our colleagues, it's tough. So it's pretty exciting. ISVA, International Sports Vision Association, we have a meeting next week in Utah. It should be pretty exciting. It's all about sports vision. It's all about communally growing this specialty of athletic conditioning and athletic preparation. So it's really exciting, and I encourage you to look into it and to join.
It's an exciting time, and ultimately, we hope for wonderful success working together with organizations like the International Sports Vision Association, the AOA. Ultimately, my goal would be every athlete who's playing every sport at the youngest ages that has to go to the pediatrician and get in a physical would be seeing an optometrist for some sort of a sport vision assessment. Ultimately, we don't exist everywhere, and as much energy as Dr. Edmunds has, he's not going to be able to drive his van to every town and show up and do these sport vision assessments. So, we really hope that this passion continues to grow, this education continues to grow, and that this really essential aspect of vision performance, as we heard about earlier, life and death, potentially decision-making skills, and just the youth and their participation in sports and their success in that participation in sports, that we can be a part of that. We can help to mitigate concussions and lessen the risk of concussions. There's some massive opportunities for this profession, and if we can engage our colleagues to do more of this, then we all win. So thanks for having me.
Couldn't agree more.
It was awesome having you.
Awesome.